Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you've seen in the title, I am going to review something super interesting. I usually don't like review things on this channel, but this one was so exciting, so I thought of trying it out and doing a 5-minute challenge. So as you guys know that I have done, I just got done with keratin treatment on my hair, but keratin usually don't make your hair straight. So yeah, we can try this product. By the way, let me just show you the product. It's called Philips Style Care Advanced Heated Straightening Brush, and it claims that naturally straight hair in 5 minutes with Kera Shine Protection. I just got done with shampooing my hair and I need to air dry it. I'm not gonna use a dryer because I don't prefer that, so I'm gonna let it air dry and then we can start testing this one out. I'm literally going to set a timer on my phone, so I'll see you once my hair is air dried. Alright, so my hair is almost air dried and I thought of sharing some other claims that the product claims. I'm gonna just explain what this actually is. Now it says that it naturally gives you straight hair in 5 minutes with care, and it literally claims that बहुत ही बड़ा ऊपर को. So I think that is the main claim. This retails for rupees 3495, which is not bad for a straightener, I guess. Let's just open this now. This says that it has this 3 bristle designs and the large padded shape, and you can actually straighten your hair in 5 minutes and also brush it साथ के साथ. And the code, let's see, the code of the product is actually pretty long, which is a great thing. Also this right here, this is the bottom, this is rotating so that it's easier for you to do whatever you want to. So yeah, I mean, pretty good, sturdy, nice packaging, everything is good abhi tak. Let's just start with the challenge, which is the 5-minute straightening challenge. So as you guys can see that my hair is actually not that straight, it's wavy. For the better results to be shown, you can actually see the before right now. So now you can see मैंने इसको plug in कर दिया है और ये blink कर रही है light, और इसको मैंने waves पे रखा है. इसमें option है कि waves जैसे मेरे बाल हैं या फिर बहुत curly और frizzy hair होते हैं तो आप high setting पे रख सकते हो. मैंने medium पे रखा है because मेरे इतने curly नहीं है अभी. जब तक it's getting heated up, you can have a good look of the before. अगर मेरे 5 मिनट में हो जाएंगे तो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि जिसके मुझसे ज़्यादा कर्ली हेयर हैं या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रिजी हेयर हैं उनके 5 मिनट्स में हो पाएंगे या नहीं. अगर हम नॉर्मल स्ट्रेटनर की बात करें तो उससे भी हमें 15 मिनट्स तो लगते ही हैं स्ट्रेट करने के लिए. वी विल सी हाउ दिस गोज. आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू सम डिस्क्लेमर्स दैट आर मेंशन्ड इन द यूजर गाइड. आई जस्ट गॉट थ्रू दिस. द फर्स्ट disclaimer is not to touch the bristles of the product. When I just plugged in the product, it was the light was blinking, and now it has stopped, which means the product is ready to be used. You don't have to put the brush very close to your scalp, close किया, touch नहीं करना scalp और roots के साथ. Just brush it like you normally brush your hair. Second thing is cleaning of the product. You don't have to put it under the tap water साफ करने के लिए. Just use a cloth and just clean it like that. Now the product is nicely heated. I just wanted to give this product a nice fair chance so that कुछ ऐसा ना हो कि मैंने कुछ गलत किया इसीलिए चैलेंज पूरा नहीं हुआ. तो अभी मैं टाइमर लगाने लगी हूँ. So I'm going to now put a timer. तो अभी 3:01 हुए हैं. मैं 3:06 का अलार्म लगा रही हूँ. So I'm going to get started. Now these are the motions that you gotta use. It's working, guys. और हाँ, मैं आपको बताना भूल गई कि आपको सिर्फ ड्राई हेयर पे ही इसको यूज करना है, वेट हेयर पे नहीं करना. See the before and after फटाफट. This one was the first motion that I showed you. Now we can also do it like this. और अभी तक मेरा अलार्म भी नहीं बजा है, so I'm really impressed. अभी तक 5 मिनट हुए नहीं है ड्यूड. और मैंने ऐसे कोई बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिसीजन लेकर और जैसे एक स्ट्रैंड लेकर नहीं किया स्ट्रेट, उससे तो नहीं होता फिर. To be very honest, I am shocked कि 5 minutes से पहले ही I was satisfied कि अच्छा मेरे बाल straight हो गए. It's like so much fun कि 5 minute के अंदर you're just getting this. And I think जिसके थोड़े से कर्ली बाल हैं या फिर थोड़े से और फ्रिजी बाल हैं उसके थोड़ा टाइम और लग सकता है. Oh my god, I always forget my heat protectant, but you guys don't do it. मैं सच में मिस कर देती हूँ most of the times. मच्छर कहाँ से आया ब्रो? मतलब हर वीडियो में I have to forget something or the other. इस वीडियो में I forgot to use the heat protectant. So this one that I use is from Davines. I really like it. It's a spray, so you have to like spray it all over your hair, and it's like a heat protectant, of course. Yeah, I'll just link that down in the description in case you guys need it. Oh yeah, what do you guys think of the hair? I am in love, and keeping in mind it did like straighten my hair under 5 minutes, I would say. And also बहुत बड़ी चीज़ जो हमें माइंड में रखनी चाहिए is that I used medium settings, like medium heat. और अगर आपके मुझसे ज़्यादा थोड़े फ्रिजी बाल हैं या कर्ली बाल हैं, you can go ahead and use it on high settings, which is again great. I think आपके भी 5 मिनट में हो जाएंगे, but you will have to give it a shot, otherwise 10 मिनट में तो हो ही जाएंगे. So let me know what you guys think of the after. I really liked it. Like I will 100% recommend this to you, but the only thing that like makes it different from a regular straightener is that इससे I don't think so कि आप curls या कुछ ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हो, because regular straightener से हम curls भी कर सकते हैं, you know, we can put on waves on our hair, but इससे सिर्फ straight होंगे और काफ़ी अच्छी तरह straight होंगे. Like I am not kidding, I really like the results. Like under 5 minutes, like gotta give it a clap. So now what we have to check is that कि कितनी देर तक ये चलता है. अभी कितना टाइम हुआ? अभी हुए हैं 3:20 AM. Yes, so अभी 3:20 हुए हैं and I have to film 2 or 3 videos. So उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि कैसा रिजल्ट है. This is how my hair looks just after the use. So we will see how it looks after 1 or 2 hours so that we can actually judge it. Hey guys, so this is how my hair is looking right now. It's been like a lot of time. अभी कितना टाइम हो रहा है? 8:21 in the morning. So yes, I'm feeling so fresh. I actually I filmed 3 videos. Yeah, I filmed 3 videos for Instagram. I'm so happy. This is how my hair looks right now and I love it. Like still it's like the same almost, but थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो गया because मैंने कान के पीछे ऐसे बहुत कुछ किया था. So I really like enjoyed the straightener and I highly recommend this to you. Alright, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed the review. This was my first ever review on this channel. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and in case you did, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like I really want your help to grow my channel. So please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video now. Bye.